So if you want to do business online, then you would need to at some point send business emails. And one of the cheap and professional way to make your business look or appear professional is to have a business email. So a business email is simply an email that carries your business name. For instance, my website is goodnoel.com. So let's say you wanted to write me, you can write me at, say, info@goodnoel.com instead of going to my Gmail. It just makes you professional. And in this video, I want to show you how you can get a business email for free using Namecheap. So in case you do not know Namecheap, Namecheap is basically a web hosting service. I have a full video that teaches you how to use Namecheap, just in case you don't know how to do it. So I am in one Namecheap account here, and what I can do is, for me to create a business email, I need to go to the cPanel, and getting to the cPanel is very simple on Namecheap. So you want to come to your hosting plan here, and your hosting is basically what hosts your website. All right. So if you come here, you see where we have go to cPanel here. So I click on go to cPanel, and I'll be redirected to the cPanel. So the cPanel is the control panel, and this is where we find other things that we can do on our WordPress website. So here we have a lot of things from Namecheap. If you scroll down, you see where we have email, and Namecheap is one of these companies that would give you free email accounts for actually hosting with them. So if you come here, you click on email accounts. This is where you can create a professional business account from or emails. All right. So if you come here, they give you up to 30 free emails on the services that you buy. So if you want to use Namecheap, I will put a link in the description of the video so that you can use that link and get a discount on Namecheap. So here you see some of the email accounts that we have, but we want to create a new one. As you can see, we've just used 2 out of 30, so we have 28 available. So you just come here, click on create, and you basically just want to select the domain that you have. So we have some domains right here, but I'm going to select this one. So all you have to do now is come here and put a username. For instance, you can say hello, and this is going to carry your hello@yourwebsite.com or whatever it is. But you want to generate a password, so you need to set your own password here. So I can just say generate, and it's going to generate a password for me. So this is the password we have right there, and our email is almost created. But before then, you want to come to the bottom here and say create, and you basically would have created a business email. As you can see, your email has been created and is now successful. How do you check this email? If you come here, you can see the email that we just created, and you can check the email here by just clicking on email, check email. You can manage the email, like change the password and stuff like that. And you can even connect this to your phone so that you can send the emails directly from your phone or receive the emails directly to your phone. You can connect it with your Gmail account and all of that. If you want me to make a video on how to connect it to your Gmail, you can let me know so that we can do that. But here you can see that we have just 250 MB, and we can actually customize that. So if you click on manage here, you can allocate the space for this email. So I can just say unlimited, and that's all I have to do. I can come down here and edit or update my email settings. So our email has been updated. So if you wanted to check this email, all you have to do is click on check email, and then you will go to the inbox of the webmail login. So you can use these credentials to actually log in to your phone. And here you can see they actually give you how to set it up on your iPhone or your Android phone. So all you have to do is basically come here, click on open, and then you'll be inside the inbox of your email. So here you can see this is the email we just created, and this is where you find everything about your email. So if you wanted to set this directly up on your phone, you can see that they have configurations that they can send to you. So let's say I wanted to set this up on my Android phone. I can just select Android, and then I can put the email address that I want to use to access from the device that we are adding, and they can basically just send you the email so that you can automatically configure your device. Again, if you want me to do this video, you can just tell me in the comment section. And if this video helps you, please like the video. My name is Goodnoel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.